Hi, this is Tamia Wilkerson again. My connection is a little bad out here. So I'm going to just go in so you can see what's going on with the property. So inside, I'm walking upstairs. Beautiful kitchen, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertop, open layout. Beautiful light fixtures. Some walking around. Hallway. Bathroom. Going down here. This is one of the bedrooms. Okay, I'm back. Here's the master bedroom. Here is the other master half bathroom. I think I showed this is the other bedroom. Currently, it is a 3-bedroom, 1 full, 2 halves, and there is a lot of potential to then decide to put a small little shower, but you would have to use part of the closet if you decided to do it upstairs for the master. And then coming downstairs, close this door. Bugs don't keep coming in. Right, going down, we have hardwood steps. There are hardwood floors underneath the vinyl plank flooring. This is another bonus room. This could be a legal bedroom. All it would need is to make sure that that window is 6 square feet and have a little step at the bottom, or the window well. Here's the laundry room. It's very spacious. There's enough space that you could decide to bump out somewhere over here if you wanted to have more space for your shower, or you could ideally just bump out here, which I suggest would be a great location if you wanted to increase the size of and have a full bathroom. This is the family room den area upstairs. Living room. Okay, it does have a garage. So it has a 1-car garage. As I walk, it has a brand new water heater. It has a brand new heating, gas heat, and central air. These lights as I go upstairs. It has extra space underneath the stair, and that's where the main well is. Brand new sliding doors, all brand new windows throughout. Put a little mantle over the fireplace. As I said, this can be a 4th bedroom, or it could just stay a bonus room. Going up the stairs again. It's a really pretty chandelier. Has high ceilings here. It's not a big foyer, but most bi-levels, that's how they are. But once again, has a nice spacious kitchen, soft close cabinets, all brand new windows, brand new vinyl floors, all brand new fixtures. As I said, brand new heating, central air, and water heater. Definitely, hopefully you'll come out Sunday between 11 to 1 if you want to see the property. It is also online. You can type in 167 Jones Kane Road, or you can type in 167 Joe Kane Road, Williamstown, New Jersey. and the property will be there. It is listed for $370,000. And as I said, brand new septic system is going in, all brand new everything. We put there's plywood in the attic. There's a brand new attic fan. So mostly everything that you can think of, we tried to cover. The only thing that we left up to the buyer is if they decide that they want a 4th bedroom, which you should change the septic to from the unit, or you go ahead and or if you want to increase the bathrooms, you wouldn't have to change the septic. You would just be increasing your bathroom from being a half to a full, because it already has the 3 toilets, so it won't be that much work to do. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Tamia Wilkerson with Home Smart Realty, 856-308-5606. Once again, 856-308-5606. Hopefully you'll come out Sunday between 11 to 1, or have your realtor book a showing. Hopefully the property won't last long, and this property could be yours. It is beautiful outside. I'm just going to really quickly show you how it looks in the dark. So it's a beautiful, large property. I mean, it has a lot of land. As I said, large driveway. And look how beautiful this house looks. And as I said, it goes all the way over here. There's 2 lots on this property. Some of the lot has already been with the trees cut down, but it goes back another like 20-25 feet back into the woods. So there's additional space, as well as it's a very, very large backyard that stretches very far on either side. You're not close to any neighbors. As I said, brand new septic system will be going in. And already it has a lot of space in this backyard. So that's an optional thing if you're going to decide to cut more trees and want to go back further, or just keep it the way it is. All right, so hopefully you'll come out tomorrow from 11 to 1, and I'll see you then. If not, definitely tell your realtor about it. Tell a friend or family. It's Williamstown, 167 Jones Kane Road. On the listing, it will say 167 Joe Kane Road. It is listed for $370,000. The estimate so far has been priced within a good range, and but it's definitely FHA approved in the sense that there's nothing you have to do. It's very turnkey. Brand new garage door was put on, so brand new shutters. So hopefully you brand new chimney liner was put in. So definitely come on out, take a look at this beautiful property on a very, very quiet street, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.